In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quantity discount on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up an automatic discount that rewards customers for buying more items at once. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Discounts. Go ahead and click that. This page shows you any existing discounts you might already have. To create a new one, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create Discount. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose a discount type. For a quantity-based offer, you want to select Amount of Products. This tells Shopify that the discount will apply specifically to products rather than to the entire order or to shipping. After you choose that, you'll be taken into the discount editor. Here, make sure you're setting up an automatic discount, not a discount code. An automatic discount will be applied for customers as soon as they meet the conditions, without them needing to type in any code at checkout. Give your discount a clear title so you can easily recognize it later, like Buy More, Save More, or Bulk Purchase Discount. This title is mainly for you and your team to stay organized. Next, set the value of the discount. You can choose either a percentage, like 10% off, or a fixed amount, like $5 off. Pick the type that best fits your pricing strategy. Then fill in all the required details, such as which products or collections this discount should apply to. Now, decide who is eligible for this discount. You can make it available to all customers, limited to point-of-sale locations using POS Pro, or target specific customer segments, or even specific individual customers. This is useful if you want to run special wholesale offers or loyalty discounts. Under Minimum Requirements, select Minimum Quantity of Items. This is the key setting for a quantity discount. Enter the minimum number of items a customer needs to add to their cart before the discount kicks in. For example, 3 items or 10 items. Then look at the Combinations section. Here, you can choose whether this quantity discount can be combined with other types of discounts, such as additional product discounts, order level discounts, or shipping discounts. Think about how generous you want your total offer to be and set these options accordingly. Finally, set your active dates. Choose the start date and time so you know exactly when the discount goes live, and optionally set an end date if it's a limited time promotion. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom right or at the top near the search bar. Your quantity discount is now ready, and Shopify will automatically apply it when customers meet the conditions you've set.